Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so changes take effect immediately. Make sure you're on the Samsung device and note the Android version because menus differ. Once ready, enable airplane mode for a quick test or turn on Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions while changing network settings. Open the phone app, tap the three dots, choose Settings, then Additional Settings. This is where carrier-dependent call routing and caller ID options live. From here, proceed to modify unreachable behaviors. Now you change forwarding and network behaviors to make calls come up as not reachable. Go into call forwarding and enter a deliberately non-routable destination or your voicemail number to redirect unanswered calls. Save and test. If calls still connect, disable VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling and connections right arrow mobile networks because those can bypass forwarding. Also, block unknown callers and hide caller ID so network treats incoming attempts Finish by verifying the effect with controlled tests. Restart the Samsung, then place test calls from two different numbers to confirm calls show as not reachable or go to the destination you set. If behavior is inconsistent, revert recent changes one at a time to isolate the cause. Commonly, VoLTE LTE toggles or misentered forward numbers are culprits. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Some network-level services override device settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, log exact settings and timestamps before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.